and the milk. Oh, well, hello there, YouTube, and welcome back to yet another milkshake video. I know, same old, but listen, YouTube, I am getting very precise at mastering the proper proportions of a perfect milkshake. And I'm adding some new ingredients, so I want y'all I want y'all to try it at home. And so somebody could please tell me, comment below, and let me know if these milkshakes really taste as good as I think they do, or if I'm just making it up in my head, because I think they're excellent. But with no further ado, I bring to you the milkshake that sustains through and through. Let me show y'all my new ingredients, okay? Let me show y'all my new ingredients. Come on. Mango chunks, organic strawberries, cherry berries and kale. I'm just trying it out. Silk almond vanilla flavored. Yeah, I don't know how that's how much it'll blend in with everything else, but I'm lactose intolerant, so it will, still got my favorite ingredient, banana. And then this is just some knockoff regular old creamy peanut butter brand. Sponsored by the new Ninja, fully equipped with all the bells and whistles, 1,000 watts. Ninja, sponsor me. Not really, you don't have to, but yeah, so this is my new Ninja. It's not mine, but I'm claiming it today. Let's go ahead and get these ingredients in. Come on. One thing I forgot to do is get out my measuring curve. Some of this stuff I'm gonna have to open up, so bear with me. Wow, that tastes like vanilla. I always do a cup of milk. Ooh, that came out faster than I was expecting. I gotta open it. It said pull tab here, so I did just that. So these come with some strawberries in it because it's also berries. So you want to be, well, I just don't want to pour a bunch of strawberries because I'm already going to put like a few strawberries in there. But I really want some cherries, berries, and a lot of kale because I love me some greens, baby. Ooh, almost spilled my milk. That would have been bad. Let's put you off to the side there, brother. Or sister. I don't discriminate. Y'all, this is a new ingredient, and I really love the flavor and the taste of the mango. In fact, I have to go get me some more mangoes because I've been using the mess out of these mangoes. I usually put like a few or 5 chunks. Like, yeah, that's probably enough. Y'all saw I have at least 3 or 4 strawberries in there, so I'm probably gonna put just like 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I do have a slight system going on. So I go ahead and I pour this in like so after, because I don't like it when my peanut butter hugs up against these walls of the cup, whatever it's called. I don't even know what I'm saying. And so I usually take my banana and I'll go half and half. So I take my banana here, I break that thing in half like this to push some of that down so that I can have the half of this banana to push off my my peanut butter from my spoon. So remember, you always grab a glob. All you need is a glob. A nice little glob of peanut butters. Take my banana, bam. I'll break this in another half. Come right here, push this banana down just a tad. That's more than a tad, but flip it upside down on the square part so I can push this in there. Block, block. Nope, I don't want you on the side. I told you, we talked about this. And then, see the remaining? Push off. Yep. As much as I can. Scrape it off. And then the last remaining peanut butter, that's a treat for me. So good, so good. We're gonna hit that with a flip. And now, I'm gonna shake this up a little bit so I can get some of my ingredients to mix in, even though this is going to mix it up, all right? Ready? Cover your ears. I can already smell. I'm lying. I was about to say I can smell the goodness, but that wasn't the truth at all. Let's see this perfect, pristine milkshake with all its nutrients and nutrient values and whatever. I was trying to sound smart, but it didn't really work that well. But let's try the milkshake. Remember, y'all know how I do. I bring this up close and personal to you. Watch as it just drips into the cup. ASMR. Oh, wow. This looks so good. Sorry, I was looking above at something else. Oh man, what a drip, drop. I'm not even gonna give y'all a taste test, or describe just how delicious this is, because I need y'all to try it for yourself. I really need you to try this I need you to try it for yourself. I want to give an outburst, but I'm just gonna drink it. Yo, thank you so much for watching my new and improved, masterful, mixed, majestic milkshake. See, it's so good it make you lick the brim. You ever had something that tastes so good you just had to? I'm done. I'm just gonna fill this back up. Refill. Can I get a refill? Oh, y'all still here? I thought y'all was going to go make your own milkshake. I thought I made it enticing enough that you was gonna go make your own. Look, if y'all don't just be gone, go make your own milkshake. Come on, delicious. Thanks for watching.